You telling her who's boss? Are you telling her who's boss? Tell her, Bucky. Tell her, Bucky. He's telling you who's boss, Roxy. Yeah. He's telling you. He says, I'm boss now. He says, I'm here, and this is my Chris. Yeah. What? Give a buckaroo. Give a buckaroo. You can see his shirt. It says Babe Mac. Babe. I can't talk. Babe Magnet. So cute. See, I'm an itsy bitsy tiny chihuahua. But I think I'm as big as they come. Yeah. See, I'm half the size of Roxy. But I think I'm a big bud. What are you barking about? What are you barking about?